Here are the 5 best RC rock crawler. So, let's get started. Number 1, most popular. DEERC DE45 RC Cars Remote Control. The DEERC Rock Crawler is a reasonably well-built example of a toy-grade remote control vehicle that is suitable for younger kids. Chunky rubber tires, big wheels, and shock absorbers make this rock crawler capable of tackling uneven surfaces with up to a 45-degree angle. The metal, scratch-resistant body panels mean it will maintain a like-new appearance even after the occasional rollover. The controller is a 2.4 GHz model, so you can run more than one truck in the same area without encountering interference. Number 2. DANCHEE RidgeRock 4WD Electric Rock. Partway between hobby grade and toy, the DANCHEE RidgeRock is an excellent entry-level RC rock crawler for beginners. There are plenty of adjustable components so your child will not grow out of it quickly as they become more experienced. This model has just over 3 inches of ground clearance, which makes it capable of navigating a wide range of obstacles. You can easily swap steering modes between front-wheel steering, rear-wheel steering, four-wheel steering, or four-wheel crab steering. Number 3. Axial SCX24 2019 Jeep Wrangler. This officially licensed Jeep Wrangler RC rock crawler from Axial is everything you look for in a larger vehicle but in a small, well-formed package. The chassis has C-channel steel frame rails with bracing. A jumper on the receiver allows you to choose one of 2 brake options, either brake or instant reverse. The controller lets you choose between a low, medium, and high-speed setting. The Axial has KMC XD machete wheels that are molded in black and feature an impressive level of detail. Number 4. SteamPrime Remote Control Car. The SteamPrime is a higher-end scale rock crawler that is best suited for those who know they will love having a rock crawler. It is not the kind of vehicle you buy on the off chance your child might like one. At 10.8 inches long, 3.5 inches high, and 6.8 inches wide, the SteamPrime is capable of tackling more difficult terrain than others. Designed to rip through the toughest trails, it is capable of dual mode for indoor and outdoor adventure. Its front and rear dual motors provide powerful torque. Number 5. Redcat Racing Everest. The Everest 10 has a single motor mounted in the center of the chassis. It utilizes telescopic drive shafts to deliver power to the front and the rear axles, allowing the suspension to articulate at the same time. 2 aluminum bead lock rings hold the big, aggressively chunky tires firmly in place on the wheels. The speed regulator allows you to maintain exceptional control over your speed. That is critical for rock crawling, and the high-torque motor provides a level of crawling power unparalleled in other RC vehicles in this price range.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.